Hey, I'm Mike, and this is Definite. Definite is a single place to collect, store, and analyze your data. Let's start with collect. You'll want to connect all of your important data sources, so things like your Postgres database, if your application runs on Postgres, your CRM, so say HubSpot or Salesforce, and then also your financial data, so whether that's Stripe or QuickBooks. And basically, once you connect one of these sources, we'll grab the data from that source and drop it into your Definite warehouse. So, QuickBooks as an example, you go through an OAuth flow for QuickBooks. So when you click Save here, you'll go through QuickBooks OAuth flow. For something like Stripe, you just need your API key, which you can grab from your Stripe dashboard. So from the point that you've connected all your sources, your data is automatically dropped into your warehouse. Nothing to configure there. You can immediately start analyzing your data. All right, now that we've loaded our data, let's go ahead and run some analytics. We can do that by starting with Fee, who is our AI data assistant. We are going to look at a sample data set from the state of Iowa. It's Iowa liquor sales. And we can say something like, how much in sales by month. So Fee will analyze your schema, grab the appropriate columns and tables, and construct a query to answer your question. You can see we already got a result back, and then we're getting a summary of the result in the body of the chat. So let's add that block to the canvas, and we can do some further analysis. So you can do all the things you might expect in here, like sort and filter, but let's go ahead and create a chart. Again, this data is shown by month, but if we want to flip the granularity, we can actually do that with the filters up top, and these kind of canvas level filters will apply to all the blocks in your canvas. So if you have 15 blocks on here and you change one of these filters, it'll update all the child blocks. So let's flip that to year, and we can see obviously the current year is not over yet, so no risk of liquor sales dropping off the face of the earth like that. But we can see that kind of trend over time, and maybe we want some summary or kind of higher level statistics. We'll add these to the canvas. And once we have the data that we want to share with the rest of our team, we can share it as a static dashboard. The canvas is great for iterating through an analysis. We can move things around, kind of like have a nice scratch pad to work on. But if we want to share this with the rest of our team and give them a more static view without some of the complexity, we can click View Dashboard, and they'll just see mostly the outcome of the analysis here. You can kind of choose which tiles or which blocks to include in this dashboard view, and the rest of your team can do things like copy the results as a CSV or export to Excel. So very good view to share with less technical folks, and obviously give a high-level summary of the outcome of the analysis. And that's a quick overview of the product. We kind of went from zero to data platform in just a few seconds there. So again, giving you the ability to run ETL, your data warehouse, and business intelligence all in one platform without a bunch of maintenance and kind of set up in a bunch of different products that you have to kind of stitch together on your own. Definite's meant to work straight out of the box. If you have any questions, drop me a note at mike@definite.app.